Nigerian student especially gets this wrong. Every student gets this wrong. Now we'll be doing number base part 2. We did part 1 earlier and we're doing part 2. We'll be converting from any base to base 10. Now students usually get this wrong. Why is that? Well, that is because if they say convert any base to base 10, they usually do the cross method or find it very confusing. Now, how do we actually do this? We use this using what we call the expansion method. Very simple. For instance, convert 21 base 3 to decimal. Decimal is same thing as base 10. Denary is also the same thing as what? Base 10 too. So if they say convert anything to base 10, if you're converting anything to base 10, you do what? Use the what? Expanding method. So let's do that now. The expanding method goes thus. You label here from 0 and you go 1. If there were numbers, you put 2, 3 as it progresses. Then you say this is 2 times this is 3, which is the base, power whatever is on top of that number, plus 1 times 3 raised to power whatever is on top. Now equal to 2 times 3 raised to power 1. Don't forget, it is not 3 times 1. It is not 3, it's just 3 that is happening 1. So that's still giving me 3 plus 1 times 3 raised to power 0. This is where students also fail. 3 raised to power 0, everything raised to power 0 is 1. 1 million raised to power 0 is what? 1. Exactly. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And the answer gives us 7 base 10. Anything you do here gives base 10. Now let's move on to question 2.
Okay.
Alright, next let's work on this. To convert to denary, which is in base 10, don't forget this is the decimal part. So you label here 0, you label here 1, you label here what? 2. Very easy. Then here, which is after decimal, you label here minus 1 and minus 2. If it continues, minus 3 and so on and so forth. So let's now expand it. We'll say, don't forget this is in base 2. So we'll say 1 times 2 raised to power 2, this 2, plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1, this 1, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, plus 1 times this 2 raised to power negative 1, plus 1 times this 2 raised to power negative 2. This is how we do. If you want, you can put it in brackets for easier understanding. Now from here we'll say 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is what? 2 raised to power 2 is 4, and of course 4 times 1 is still that 4, plus 2 raised to power 1 is 2, but 0 times 1 is now making it 0, plus 2 raised to power 0, don't forget laws of indices, it gives 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, plus, now we have 1 times 2 raised to power negative 1. Don't forget negative sign, we turn 1 over. That minus, we turn to 1 over. Then this 2 will now fall in. Then the power 1 falls. Do you get that? Minus turns to 1 over. Minus turns to 1 over. You're left with 2 and this power 1. So this 2 falls, then power 1 falls. Plus, don't forget if you multiply by 1, it still gives that 60. So here again, minus turns to what? 1 over. This 2 falls and this power 2 falls. You know, if you multiply by 1, it still gives that. So 4 plus 1 gives 5, and 1 over plus that's 1 over 2 power 1 is what? 2, plus 1 over 2 power 2 is 4. Do you get that? Then we have 5 plus, now solving these fractions, we are going to be having, the LCM is 4, 2 in 4 is 2, 4 in 4 is 1, that is going to be equal to 5 plus 3 over 4, and that is equal to 5 over 3 over 4. I hope you have learned something. These are common ways students usually fail, especially with the power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Please help us subscribe and wait for part 3 of our lesson. I'm sure you'll be thrilled. I will share more exciting things. Thank you.